From a futuristic drone-killing rifle to a captured state-of-the-art Russian tank that could reveal its secrets, to the unthinkable suddenly feeling like a very real threat, advanced weapon systems are heavily influencing military calculations on the ground in Ukraine. Welcome to Technality. I'm Rachel, and today we'll be exploring 3 technologies that are shaping the modern battlefield. A futuristic new weapon has been spotted in action on the battlefield in Ukraine. This one has one simple mission: take down enemy drones before it's too late. The one seen here being used by Ukrainian soldiers is the Lithuanian-made EDM-4S, or Skywiper. It's a handheld drone neutralizer with a range of up to 5 kilometers. The electromagnetic signal it produces knocks out the drone's control and navigation system. Made for the modern battlefield, it looks and feels like a rifle, complete with a pistol grip, trigger, and sights. And the Ukrainian army has been using the Skywiper to take down Russian drones since the invasion began. But these futuristic drone-busting rifles aren't just saving lives in the trenches. Several companies are developing anti-drone guns for more civilian purposes as well, like airspace control around airports, live events, or protecting critical infrastructure. In 2018, 2 drones detonated explosives near where Venezuela's president was giving a speech to the capital, Caracas. President Nicolas Maduro claimed it was an assassination attempt. The intent of the attack is unclear, but you can imagine this technology could be used to protect officials as well. If the last decade has seen the rapid rise of drones, new technology like this means they may have just met their match. Moving from the air to the ground now, a captured Russian tank may be about to spill its technological secrets to its new owners. This is the advanced T-90M tank, the top-of-the-line model in Russia's military. Only about 2 dozen exist, and very few of them have been deployed in Ukraine. Also known as Breakthrough in Russia, it's the latest version of the more common T-90, but this one is loaded to the gills with the latest tech. First, it's cloaked in a mysterious radar-absorbent material that acts as a stealth cape, absorbing both heat and radio signals. Russia claims the secretive coating can protect the tank against the use of precision-guided weapons. It also has explosive reactive armor, meaning it can intercept and destroy anti-tank missiles before they get too close. When the tank system detects an incoming attack, it fires projectiles of its own, downing the threat at a close range. The T-90M is also equipped with new satellite navigation systems, a remote control anti-aircraft gun, and various other upgrades. Despite all that, Ukraine's military has been able to destroy one and capture another. And there's little doubt Western intelligence will want to get a closer look under the hood of Russia's best active tank. As the grounds move and front lines shift, the threat of the unthinkable is looming larger than ever. President Vladimir Putin said he's not bluffing about using nuclear weapons. As Ukrainian forces reclaim territory in the east and south of the country, Putin's latest speech has made it clear that he would use everything at his disposal to defend Russian territory. That prompted a warning from US President Joe Biden at the United Nations and on 60 Minutes.
Don't.
When we think of nuclear war, we often think of Nagasaki and Hiroshima, but there's actually 2 types of nuclear weapons: tactical and strategic, and it's the former that has people worried. Tactical weapons are used for short distances. They can be fired from land, sea, or air, and range in how damaging they are. In other words, they could be used for specific military gains, but not total destruction. Analysts worry Putin may feel using one of the approximately 2,000 he has in his arsenal would be to his advantage. The so-called nuclear taboo, the idea that using them is unthinkable, may be fading away. Do you think the threats of nuclear war are serious or just a bluff? With any luck, it'll never come to that. But whatever happens, there's no doubt that new technologies will continue to play a pivotal role in Ukraine and beyond. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the future.